Good morning and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 1st of August. Last week, my colleague Josh went short euro sterling at 84.96. So just here, it was an excellent trade, as you can see, because euro sterling sold off very rapidly and for 5 consecutive days and dumped all the way down to 83.46. Now, his downside target was around the 83.05 mark. So we are still short on this trade, but it probably makes sense to lower your take profit level to break even so that if the market were to change direction, go back up again, you wouldn't be out of pocket. So this week's trade of the week is to go short as well, and this time it is on Brent Crude oil. As we can see here, last week on Friday, we shot up to $106.36, but we have currently come off a bit, and we are in the process of forming a bearish candle. And if you go down to a shorter term time frame, what is of interest here is that we've had a sharp reversal towards the end of last week and tried to rally again earlier this morning, but at the moment we are seeing this bearish engulfing candle on the hourly chart. So therefore I would like to go short Brent crude oil at current levels at $102.25 and put a stop loss at above the highs seen from last week at $106.40, with a downside target at the 200-day simple moving average at $97 and let's say 20 cents. So today's trade of the week is to go short Brent crude oil at $102.25 with a stop loss at $106.40 and a downside target at $97.20.